Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I want to share with you guys this kind of editorial look. So if you're interested in how to get this, then keep on watching. So first and first, I'm going to start by priming my eye using this NYX glitter primer. I'm going to blend it with my finger and then set it with some banana powder from Essence. Now take any round shadow you want to start building up the liner. Take the time, but let me be honest with you guys, it doesn't have to be perfect at all. We're gonna start filling it in using any liquid shadow you have. For in my case, I have to go with a Milani and Mermaid Liquid Green in a shade Fix Action. For foundation, I'm going to use my all-time favorite Giorgio Armani Master Glow in a shade 6.5. For concealer, I'll be using my Urban Decay Naked Skin in a shade Neutral. We're gonna jump in contour, and guess what? I'm using my Butter Bronzer in a shade Sunkissed Bronzer. We're gonna bring in some highlighter using my Soft and Gentle from MAC. We're almost getting to the end of this look, so for this one in particular, I want to go with a type of fluffy brows. So I'm gonna use my Kaiko Eyebrow Designer, and I'm gonna start brushing them up. So now with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, I'm just filling it in any sparse areas. Now I'm going to bring some color to the lower lash line using a Kaiko Individual Shadow in the shade Smart. Moving on to mascara, I'm going to use my Giorgio Armani Eyes to Kill. So now what I'm gonna do is turn out this eyeliner into a juicy, delicious one. So for that, I'm gonna use a juicy shaker from Lancome in the shade Watermelon. To finish off the look, I'm gonna use this Blushing Pop lip color from Clinique, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video tutorial as much as I do creating this for you guys. So see you next week with another video. So bye!